All right, so I showed you how I changed out those front doors. Next, we're gonna go ahead and update the front of the house with some new siding. And first thing we've got to do is prep the walls. So we're gonna go ahead and prepare those. All right, so I've got the siding pulled off and I discovered a little bit of water damage from time, I guess. I'm gonna address that by putting some flashing on the bottom of the house, and I probably should be pulling that off, but I'm not gonna. So the time does not allow for that. So I'm gonna put some flashing on the bottom, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start hanging my J-channel. So here's an up close detail. I've got the drip cap under the window, right underneath that trim. I got another drip cap here on the ground because it sits right on the concrete. And I've got house wrap on. Same deal, drip cap here, drip cap, and another one underneath the window. I am ready to start my J-channel. All right, just a few pointers when we're putting the siding on. You want to make sure you don't actually fasten it completely to the wall. The siding needs room to be able to expand and contract. So see how that has a little bit of movement in there? First thing you do, you want to check your level line. I checked this last piece so I know when I tuck it in there, it's going to be nice and level. So I push up. You go ahead and pound it in. You're going to leave a little bit of a gap. Not a whole lot. That piece went a little tight. There we go. All right, now that's in. This siding can still move, and it's going to be held on there nice and tightly. So you just basically repeat the process. You run it into your drip. You run it into your J-channel on the side, and make sure it's got about a ½ inch total of gap. All right, and we come to the top course now. I got everything tucked in underneath the J-channel. And to finish everything off, you want to take some finish trim nails that are stainless steel and go ahead and put those in the low spot every couple feet or so. That just holds the top piece in place. All right, so that's how I put siding on the front of this house. And for a home with very little curb appeal, that changed dramatically. So pretty simple project, cost a couple $100, some pretty simple tools as well. So I highly suggest you try it out. And if you like this content, feel free to subscribe below, and thanks for watching.